Have you ever noticed white spots or lines on your nails? These vertical and horizontal marks are commonly seen in many and are often ignored. Some link this to calcium deficiency in the body, while others say that there is nothing to worry about. However, white lines develop as a result of zinc deficiency and not calcium as popularly believed. Zinc plays a crucial role in various body functions, and when and what zinc supplements should one take? Signs and symptoms of zinc deficiency are visible on nails, describing it as a trace mineral. Zinc is a crucial mineral as our body can't save it. Vital organs such as the heart, lungs, and other body parts including bones and even enzymes need zinc. While there are plenty of natural sources of zinc, the nutritionist shares that the mineral attaches itself to the protein in the body, and 70% of the circulating zinc is attached to a protein, albumin. To make up for the low zinc in the body, one can take zinc supplements. As per the nutritionist, zinc is a miracle mineral that can treat chronic health problems and improve symptoms overnight. Besides the white lines on nails, you can opt for a zinc supplement if you are facing other issues such as a fragile immune system, difficulty sleeping, low sex drive or mood, unexplained wrinkles on hand and face, delayed healing, breaking out easily, or accelerated macular degeneration. Below we have a list of some types of zinc supplements found in the market. 1. Zinc gluconate. It is used in cold remedies like lozenges and nasal sprays and is one of the most over-the-counter forms of zinc. 2. Zinc acetate. This supplement is also added to cold lozenges and helps speed up recovery. 3. Zinc sulfate. It helps treat zinc deficiency and is also effective in reducing the severity of acne. 4. Zinc picolinate. According to the nutritionist, a study suggests that this supplement of zinc is absorbed better by the body than others. 5. Zinc orotate. It is another common zinc supplement in the market. 6. Zinc citrate. While this supplement also absorbs better, it also has a less bitter and more appealing taste. When it comes to the dosage of these zinc supplements, this depends upon one's dietary intake and the type of supplement chosen. Before going for any supplement, one is advised to consult their nutritionist.